How to replace an outside mirror on an Alfa Romeo 166. Hello. Welcome to another video of me. Today I'll show you how to replace the outside mirror on an Alfa Romeo 166 quite easily. For this repair we only need a simple standard bit set with a small 1/4" ratchet. We start repairing now. First, I open the screw with a 3mm embossed nut from the inner mirror cover. Now I remove the cover. Before we can remove the mirror, we first have to disconnect the signal cables. For this I pull out with my fingers the cable connection box. There is a foam insulation around the box which we have to remove now. Now we open the lever from the box. This box protects the signal cables from interruption of the connectors under the ride that may be caused by the vibrations. Warning! Please do not pull the cables forcibly. Please open the box first, then you can stake out the cables. The connectors can be opened carefully with a flat screwdriver by carefully lifting and pulling out the cap. With this method I open all two connectors. Now I remove with the flat screwdriver the front screws cover. Under the cover is one of 3 5mm Allen screws. Here are the 3 Allen screws that we will open now. Attention! Please hold the mirror during disassembly so that it does not fall to the ground. Please make sure that the screws do not fall into the interior of the door, Otherwise the entire interior door trim would have to be dismantled during the search. Now we remove the mirror. Please carefully lead the cables out. The new mirror is installed in the reverse order. I hope I helped you, and I wish you much fun at work. Disclaimer: I give no guarantee or warranty for the correctness and completeness of the work shown. Please ask a licensed mechanic before attempting to repair alone. Please always observe the legal safety instructions to avoid injury. Many thanks. Goodbye.